Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is actually Saturday and we are up pretty early because we are planning to go on hike. We've been planning this for a couple of weeks, but then we didn't wake up early enough. We had something to do, so we didn't have a chance to go. Not until today, but I'm kind of happy that we decided to go today because apparently, if you guys see later on, the trees so beautiful. I mean, the leaf is already changed the color to yellow and red. Imagine if you go all the way to the top and then you see all those yellow and red trees. It's probably very, very beautiful. The state park that we're going to go, they call it a Minnewaska State Park. That was where Doug was actually proposing.
Wow.
Yeah. But that time it was like the hottest day ever in that year, so we didn't really enjoy that much. We didn't even go all the way to the top because our family was there, for the proposal, so we didn't enjoy the park that much. And today, because kind of already actually pretty cold, but we bundle up, so I think it should be good. We can go all the way to the top. That's our goal today. We want to hike all the way to the top, see everything that they have there, and just enjoy the nature. We are here. We start hiking. It's cold. I thought it's gonna be pretty sunny, but it's actually not.
We're in the
It's
mountains.
cold. Holy! I literally wear 1, 2, 3 layers. Still cold. Oh my gosh. Here we are. This is where Douglas proposed.
In this spot.
Yeah, exactly the spot. We just got back to the car. What do you think?
It was good. It's good walking. Good hiking.
It was beautiful. It's just too cold.
It wasn't too cold. I think it was a nice temperature.
But it's
based
so
off of-
windy.
Based on how the weather outside.
Yeah.
It was nice.
I'm proud with myself because I didn't use the restroom again.
Crazy.
Trying to not drinking too much water. So now, what time is it? 3:37. We don't know what to do. So yeah, we're gonna rest a little bit and we'll figure out what we're gonna do next. Another day. My legs are still pretty hurt and tired from the hike yesterday, but we are going to the gym now. We're probably not gonna do much. We're just gonna work out probably an hour and yeah, enjoy the rest of the day. So let's go to the gym. It's Saturday and we're actually going to our friend's engagement party, and this is my outfit and my makeup. I don't know if you guys can see it, but super simple. This is actually just a jumpsuit, long black jumpsuit, outer, bags, and just a flat shoes because I don't want to be tired wearing heels. So I would rather just having something that's more comfortable. And yeah, here we go. Let's go to the party. It's Sunday and we're going to the concert. What is that? Justice and KATRYANADA. I got this favorite DJ, so this is the outfit. It's raining outside. Indo. Yeah, the day before I have to go to Indo. So let's party!